What's up, everyone? So today it is 52 degrees outside, if any of you care, but I'm stoked because it feels like it's freaking summer out here. We're gonna start off, of course, at the UPS store and see what packages came in today, because I said I got one, so good news. Well, it looks like I hit the jackpot because it said I only got one, but like 7 came in. What did I order? Cool. Can you guys see my, look at my reflection. Look how I gotta hold this stuff. So many small packages. All right, let's see what we got, boys. Yes. Some intercooler couplers. Awesome. Some more intercooler couplers. These might be the heater hose lines for the Miata, which would be sick. Cool. Serial to USB for the Mega Squirt. More AN fittings. Ooh, fragile. And, ooh, throttle cable. Won't make sense why I don't remember any of this stuff because it's just all random, dumb stuff. But it's cool. I'm pumping up the heater hose lines for the Miata so we can finish up the coolant system. The alternator's in tomorrow, so that means we could probably get on the dyno within the next 2 or 3 days, which is sick. And then random couplers and a throttle cable. I happened to change my intake manifold on the Black Z. It might look the same to you guys, but as you can tell, this one isn't polished, and I kind of like it better, to tell you the truth. So my other intake manifold was a replica Greddy intake, so it's a Freddy, and internally, they're identical. Do I think I'm gonna get a power increase from this? Not even a single horsepower. But it's nice to have the real part on this car, and I think this like OEM finish actually looks better in here. This one is the one I actually pulled off my S13, so I figured why not put it on. Concerning the throttle cable, this throttle cable is actually too short to work with this whole setup. My other intake manifold, I made some crazy bracket that came all the way to here, so this would work. And this throttle cable is excessively long, as you can see. So I actually did something I wanted to do a long time ago, and I ordered a throttle cable out of a S13 Sylvia from Japan. And as you could see, this will fit perfectly in the manifold, which will help with the throttle response. And it's way shorter, so it's not gonna bulk up the bay as much as the other one did. So stuff this thing through there. Come on. All right, let's see how this thing compares. So as you guys can see, S13 Sylvia, Z32, right-hand drive, and as you can see, it's probably like a foot longer, which is good because a foot is a lot in our case. And we actually need a longer cable for Drew's 32 with his new intake manifold, so we could actually put this cable in Drew's R32, which is sick, double win right now. So let's throw this thing in there. Alright guys, so I went to go throw the cable on and I realized I was actually having the exact same issue I was before, where the cable didn't seem long enough for the throttle body wheel itself. So I realized the wheel on my old throttle body was a completely aftermarket one, so I threw it on and now everything fits perfect. So as you can see, we got the aftermarket wheel here compared to the ugly stock one, and the cable used to mount instead of here, it used to be back here, of course making it too short, and now it fits literally perfect. I'm so happy with this. So even though we could have got my old cable to work, I'm still really excited we did this because now the cable is about a foot shorter and runs way nicer in the bay. I mean, look at this. We have it go here and S right through the firewall. Nice and clean. Couldn't fit any better. Before, of course, we had to go around, loop up, and go under, and it looked like a cluster. But for me, it's the little details like this that I absolutely love, so I couldn't be more excited. And now we have the longer throttle cable that Drew needs for a Skyline for his new aftermarket intake, and it's a double win, so not bad. Right, before it gets dark, I hear Drew power washing for the last like hour, so let's go see what he's up to.
Damn, Drew. Looks like Libby's out here, boy. How many bikes you got right now?
Don't choke too much. It's like a quarter of the fleet. Y'all wonder where that money comes from. Watch them, Purple Power. I don't want to talk too much.
You can't tell me.
Yeah, I know, I can't tell too much.
I want to buy this from Drew so bad. You guys have no idea.
Just gotta take the lowering link out for Jimmy. Oh, it's fuck.
I can't be hiding this year.
No, hell no. Jimmy's outside this year, big fact.
You're getting a 250. Ooh. What do you guys think? Nice, right?
That's a bike for Jimmy.
That's the drip.
That's it. Drip mobile.
Hey, why is he even washing that thing?
I don't know. I have no idea. I told him it's 6 different colors. So give me the soap.
Right, that's not even soap. That's purple power.
It's actually water and purple power mixture.
At that point, this is what you see on Craigslist.
And that's what you see when you get there.
No rock.
Don't let the camera fool you. It's not clean.
A lot of Bondo.
No rot. No rot. How much Bondo?
Oh, challenge accepted. Challenge accepted.
Cracked the other day. You can't even hide it.
Steffi's finally here.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah.
Sweet.
So Steffi's gonna tag along and hang out with me, and so no one else can make it today, unfortunately. So just Steffi's gonna tag along, hang out with me at the skate park. She could be a ramp tramp today.
Hey. That's very nice.
Let's sit there. Oh, almost got the food. Oh.
I was gonna ask you, are we gonna go get that?
The park is still really slippery, but it's really fun. So, should do some warm-up tricks.
Yeah.
What
What do you do?
Should we
Are
do
you
some
gonna go
fly-out
down there?
stuff?
Yeah, do that.
Send it.
Something big.
Okay.
Make him look at like it's a big thing.
We vlog, right?
We're vlogging right here.
We just
Yeah.
film things,
We just
right?
talk, we film, and eventually we do things. That's how vlog goes.
Jimmy's teaching me how to vlog right now.
We're doing table stuff. What are we doing first still?
Sketchy table.
Let's hit the 180T.
182.
180T. Oh shit, Jim, I cut your head off.
The slippery one.
We'll see what happens with the 5. I'm probably gonna slip out.
Don't hit me. Ooh. Oh. Was, dude. There it is. There it is. There it is, bud.
I need a
That's all you got. That's all you got. Oh shit.
Keep sliding everywhere.
Oh,
my
tits,
God,
dude.
the WWF slam down can.
Fuck, boy.
Oh, that was a taco.
I think we're gonna call it the It's not worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me bust my ass. The goal when you fall is just try to slide it off, right?
It's like you're an MLB baseball player, bro.
Dude, first base.
Yeah, we gotta get to home, though.
Oh yeah, we're far from home.
Far from home.
We're playing a game of bike. I don't know if we're gonna film it. It's fun though.
That was pretty easy.
We gotta go for blood. See, game of bikes are hit or miss because there's so many tricks that are like really easy, but like really easy to mess up.
That's the first step, though, is the secret.
I'm trying to mess up. Wish me luck.
Okay.
See, the goal is to figure out whatever he's not good at and then try that one. He's the competition. You know him better. Give me some secrets. How do I get him out?
No, you just pull stuff right out of nowhere.
Hot truck, because it's a good excuse to try it.
Alright.
How much of a pivot do I get?
I'll count it as long as it's over 2
See, everyone's building height, but I'm not gonna land it. Woo! So we all have 1 letter left, so it's kill time. He tries to do a switch whip. Get out of here.
I did like 4 earlier. I thought I had that first try.
Thank God he did it. Gonna try. Ready? Feeble manual whip. Can you see from here, guys? Oh no! Don't get it. Please don't get it. Oh, what the fuck! Oh. He got us with the manual tail whip. Dirty bastard. All right, we've been going crazy for a few hours, and we're about ready to go. Ass is kicked, but I want to get one more line in, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it.
This is head scene every single time.
Always on the ground.
Every time.
These are the money right here.
Try it.
I need so many of these.
smells like tuna fish.
What?
Do you smell that?
I don't know. All I could smell was Cheetos before. What do you think, Steph? How's the park?
That was awesome.
Yeah. You had
So
fun?
nice to see you back out there.
All right, that was good. That was what, like 3 hours?
Yeah, you guys did good. You got there at like 7.
Kicked my ass. Saw some friends I haven't seen in a few years, which are always awesome. So I don't know how much Steph filmed or like what we filmed, but we basically just played 2 games of bike the whole freaking time we were there, and my ass is kicked. I need to order new tires because mine are so slippery, but I had a great time, and I hope you guys liked today's footage, even though it isn't car stuff, but I guess change is fun. So
No, this is good.
Monday night bike night was a success. I didn't break anything, so we're cool. So tomorrow the alternator comes in for the Miata.
Overnight delivery.
If Amazon doesn't
Yes.
screw us again. Yes, I got it on Amazon because it was the fastest way to get it, because I got screwed by Advanced, but you guys know how that goes. So hopefully that's all set. We can get it to idle and go through all the cycle and whatnot. So
Be more excited about it.
I'm so pumped. I've been going nuts trying to get that thing together, trust. Gathering parts for a whole car is a pain in the ass.
It's a whole thing.
So yeah, I think that's it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Steffi,
Good night, everybody.
later.
I can't.
Yeah, dude.
I'm cold-hearted and broke. I cold-started and choke. I grow part with my soul. The vote harder to grow. I know what. Hey, I know what. Hey.